Hi guys, Gareth here. So today we're going to cover a great shoulder exercise. It can be done with dumbbells, kettlebells. It can even be done with bands. It's called a dumbbell halo. So I'm going to use a dumbbell or a kettlebell halo or whatever you want halo. It's great for just taking the shoulders through a good range of motion while also being quite a good finisher if you're doing a shoulder session. So let's just get stuck in. So you're going to kneel on one knee with the other knee out in front. Now be sure to make sure your hips are square and the knees go straight out. So you don't want to have your knee like that so you're unbalanced or super wide. Now a good way to do this is to make sure the dumbbell is in front of the knee that's on the floor, so you can't put your foot there, you have to put it beside it, and that should get you in a pretty much square on position. From there you're going to take both hands and you're going to hold the dumbbell in front of you, so it's in front of that hip of the supporting leg. You're just going to lift up, take it around and down, again up, take it around and down. Now this is a good stable position, this one leg kneeling position, and it also helps the core work a little bit as well. So, imagine you're swinging a massive sword. Pretend you're in Lord of the Rings or something. And then to swap sides, just drop it down, move it across, get your leg in the right position again. Lift it up so it's in front of the hip so you're completely set, and go again. Now, these can be done with a relatively light weight like I've got here for bigger sets. So at the end of your shoulder session, aim to do, 15 or 20 in a set. Or if you want to have it as a building exercise, do lower reps, do a few sets, and have a slightly heavier weight. Now, obviously, the weight depends on where you're at yourself, but give it a go. It's a great wee exercise, and let me know what you think.